Hi guys, welcome to episode 19 of the PowerPlatform digital series. This week I have with me my special guest, Rekha.
Hi Ron, thank you for the chai. Morning everybody, Rekha Rao-Mayya, Technical Director for Dynamics.
Terrific. So guys, since it's the holiday season here in Canada, we thought we should find an occasion to celebrate on the Power Platform Digital series. And in particular, we want to celebrate this week the success of our customers. So in this case, we're highlighting a session called Story from the Real World, enterprise-wide adoption of PowerApps and Microsoft Flow. And Rekha, the interesting thing about this session is they highlight a bank called Standards Bank from South Africa.
Right.
And it's so interesting how the journey they went through to introduce this new technology, PowerApps, into the broader organization. And I was just wondering about what are some of the things that jumped out at you?
Yeah, it was a great story. And so Standards Bank, large bank in Africa, they have about 55,000 employees. As you can imagine, these employees are bankers, bank employees. They do things related to the business of banking, not related to coding or sitting in their back caves and building applications. But as you can imagine, a lot of the stuff that they do was very manual, very paper-based, very rote. And it was getting a little bit frustrating for the business users that they had to do so much that was manual. So one of the processes that they honed in on, which was super time-consuming and laborious, was ATM inspections. You know, these ATM machines that we go to draw our cash, we never really think about it, but those machines need to be maintained. You need to go there to see that the machine is functioning, it's clean, the area around it is accessible, etc., etc. And that process at Standards Bank was manual. A person would go, a custodian, they would examine all of this, they would then take notes, it would be on a piece of paper, they would somehow then send it, and that data would get collected, and roughly a week later, you would basically have the status of whether that ATM was good, bad, or ugly, right? So, problem statement, how do we fix this manual process? When IT heard about this, they worked with the business users, and actually think of it as hack the solution. They worked together to build requirements and built a small application using PowerApps, which took 24 hours. I thought that was super cool.
Yeah.
24 hours, and they deployed it in about a week. These custodians started using it, and as you can imagine, the time to benefit was fantastic, and the productivity rose through the roof. Now, this was just the start of the power of what business users and IT could do together. This led to a number of other different applications being built to the point that Standards Bank today has a center for excellence around PowerApps. So a truly magical journey, if I might say that, in the spirit of the holidays.
Totally. So guys, please go and watch the session. As usual, please let us know what you think, what you like, what you don't like, and what you would like to see us cover in future episodes. So until the next episode, thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.